Hi guys, good afternoon. It is still 12:30, but I'm heading home already because I have my doctor appointment. So yeah, that's where I'm going. Hi guys, in the car now. I'm driving home. I will pick up Mimi and Paris, and then we'll go to the doctors together. So yeah, I left at 12:30. I've got the whole afternoon on leave, and yeah. So if you haven't watched my previous vlogs, I went to, I think 2 weeks ago, I went to the doctors to get my throat checked because I feel like something's stuck in there, and I've had it for, yeah, I'd say like over 2 weeks now. And then I just had an appointment with the ENT specialist for this afternoon, so yeah, that's where I'm going. And the doctor's is not far away from where we live, guys. I'd say approximately like, I'd say 5 minutes drive, so that is easy. I really hope that there's nothing too serious, guys. Like I'm so worried, and especially like because they said how they're gonna do it is that they're gonna insert a camera through my nose into my throat to for them to be able to see what's going on there. The fact that they're talking about, you know, inserting camera through your nose, it is scary already, guys. Yeah, but seriously, for sure I'll be fine. I'll survive. For sure they do that sort of thing every single day, and people go through that process every time you want to get your throat checked. So because it's, you know, around lunchtime, guys, the traffic is not so bad, which is amazing because I don't really want to be late with my appointment. You can probably see that it's sunny, guys. See outside, the sun is up, but it's only 15 degrees. That's why I've got like this thick coat on. But mind you, guys, even though I've got the coat on, I've only got skirt on too, so it is balanced, guys. I think Paris will be rapt seeing me home early. She'll be waiting on the front door when I get home for sure. See, guys, I told you she'll be waiting outside for me. Hi, princess! Hi, princess! She's clapping, guys. Hi! Hi! What are you doing? Hi! Oh, Mama! 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 So I'm home now, guys. I've got Paris. So I'm gonna show you my OOTD, guys. So I've got boots on, nude boots, and you know, navy blue skirt, orange top, and then just a little coat here. And guess what, guys? I got them all from the op shop. So if you don't know, guys, wait, we're doing a video. from Savers, guys. So if you don't know Savers, Savers is a kind of the ukay-ukay in the Philippines. So still they're not very cheap, but compared to the retail price, they're fairly cheap. So you know what they said, guys, it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. So yeah, that's it for today. And Paris got the new shoes on, track pants, and what's this? Oh,
Don't touch me. No.
let's see.
So while waiting, Paris is playing. Oops. What is she playing with? Joy
Yes, so just 95. Would you like me to come in?
Pambansang tita
Yeah.
is again on her phone as always.
Yeah, he has given me one. Yeah, he has given me one. Copy of the report. A lot of
Botswana, guys.
of who
Representing Botswana. We're just waiting for my turn. And Paris, so busy. Shh. Hi guys, good evening. It is now 7 o'clock at night. I just came here to tell you what happened at the doctor's today. So basically the doctor performed what you call nasal endoscopy. So it's a process of like inserting a camera into my nose to have a look what is happening in there, why I feel such thing. So it's at first, guys, I was so scared, like I was so worried that, you know, what's gonna happen, is it gonna hurt me or what. But when I went there, the doctors told me, well, the specialist told me like, oh, you got nothing to worry, it's, you know, it's really quick, it only took 2 minutes, I'd say. And so what he's done is like he's got like a long thin flexible tube. So at the end of that tube there's a light and there's also like a tiny camera. So but before he inserted it in my nose, guys, he first asked me if I breastfeed Paris, because if I do, unfortunately he can't give me the tablet for numbing the muscles in my throat and my nose. So what he's done was he just sprayed it with some spray, guys, that makes inside numb, so I don't feel anything. He's done it, and then he said, just wait outside, I'll call you after 5 minutes, because it takes 5 minutes for the spray to work. And that is so true, guys. Like after 5 minutes I felt like, seriously, I don't know, it feels like it's expanding or something inside here. And also obviously because he put that in there to numb the muscles, it feels like, guys, that I have a runny nose. Like I constantly ask Mimi, I said like, have a look, have I got cold running, because it's like, seriously, it feels like it's wet, and it felt like literally cold, like running in my nose. So yeah, that's how I felt. And then I went in, and yeah, so he inserted the thing in my nose, like oh my god. So I just closed my eyes in the entire procedure, guys, because I don't like it. I seriously don't like all these things, but sometimes there are things that you gotta do, right? So that's one of those things. And yeah, so after that, he asked me to, once the tube is in there, he asked me to say E, like E. So maybe when we say E, it opens up, and you know, it gives him more visibility inside. So he asked me to say E, and then after that he said, oh, it's clear. And then he said, can you cough for me? So I coughed, and then he said it's clear. So obviously after that he can tell you the result straight away. So guys, the result was everything is good, guys. I was so worried. I said, like, what if I've got this problem? Because you know, guys, I think this is a problem with people now, guys, having phones and having internets and everything, because every time you feel something in your body, you tend to Google it. Like, don't lie to me, guys. For sure, most of you guys out there do that. So when I started to feel like there's something in my throat, I went in straight away to Google, checked, you know, why am I feeling this? And then Google came up with you must have like a reflux or like stomach problem, or what was the other one? You know, like cancer, guys. You know, that is so scary. Well, that scared me. Anyways, but I'm so happy, guys, with the result. I don't know, I was over the moon when he told me, you know, you've got nothing to worry about. I even asked him, like, oh, do I need to go back to the general practitioner who referred me to you to get this result? And he said, like, no, you've got nothing to talk with him about. So just, you know, I'm telling you now, just relax your head, everything is fine. And I asked, guys, what do you think the cause of that, why I'm feeling this? Because it's not there all the time, guys. It's on and off. Like now while I'm talking today, I'd say it's not the worst that I felt it, but a medium, I'd say. And then he told me that it's from stress and anxiety. So well, he asked me if my work is stressful, or, you know, I said not with work, because I just went back to work 2 months ago, so I'm still, you know, getting back into that phase again, working. And I think it's more of the like anxiety, guys, when I started going back to work full time and I need to leave Paris with Mimi, because I wasn't used to like being away from Paris. So when I started going back to work again, yeah, I think that's where the anxiety kicked in. Like, because even though I know it's my sister's looking after my daughter, it's still, you know, the feeling that I'm a mother. I wish I'm with my daughter, but whoa, these are the things that, you know, the decisions that you make, guys. Like, if you don't go back to work, obviously you've got no financial you don't have any money, guys. So, and it's hard, like, how are you gonna live without money? It's impossible. So because even if you stop working, that doesn't mean that the bills will stop coming too. So yeah. And also I think with the stress side of it, I'd say that's when we applied for Mimi's visa again, like for the a new visa. That's another story. I've been stressing for that one as well. It's like, oh, what if her visa won't get approved, then she needs to go home in 2 days time, guys. Yeah, 30th, because that's when her tickets booked flying back home to the Philippines. So but that's gonna, guys, because yeah, that's a different story. I'm gonna make another video about that, but for now I'm just very, very happy that everything is fine with my health, because we all know, guys, health is wealth. We have to look after ourselves, and especially now, guys, that I have Paris, I'm more careful and yeah, more sensible with things that I do, because yeah, I'm a mom now, guys. If everything is different, like my daughter depends on me, and yeah, I'd like to be there for my daughter, and you know, to look after her and give her my best, because you know, if I get sick, then it won't be good for me, obviously, of course, and it won't be good for my daughter, and it won't be good for Mike too, guys. So yeah, yeah, so I just came here to tell you that. Yeah, so thank you very much for today, guys. I hope to see you guys in our next video. By the way, I don't have Paris here because she's downstairs. She is having a nap, and that's why I took the opportunity to just come up here in my bedroom and yeah, just talk to you guys. And if you have any questions, guys, feel free to leave in the comment section below. And I am so happy that I've got people watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hopefully you will join our family. And if you have any request, any video that you want me to do, yeah, just let me know and I will do my best to accommodate, guys. And yeah, so that's about it. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Thank you. Bye.